In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Lucidchart on your device, whether you want to use it on your browser, desktop, or mobile. I guide you through the process step by step. So first, Lucidchart is a web-based tool, so you don't actually need to install it or use it. Now, simply go to the Lucidchart in here, make sure it's official, and sign in with your account or credentials. And then if you don't have yet an account, you can create a free account. So once logged in, you can start creating a diagrams immediately. So Lucidchart doesn't have a standalone software for Windows or Mac, but you can install it as a PWA or progressive web app for a more app-like experience. So in order to do that, go to the Lucidchart and then look for the install icon. You can see it in here. Commonly, it shows up in here. And just simply click on that and the web will be automatically download. And it much more look like a application now once it's done. And that's it. That's how you install a Lucidchart on different devices. So whether you're using it in a browser as our desktop app or on a mobile, you now have easy access to your diagrams anytime. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.